Good morning, MacKenzie squad. So today is on Saturday, and I've just woken up and I'm trying to clear up the living room and I start my cleaning. I'm those people who, before I even take my breakfast, I make sure the house is clean, and then that's when I'll take my breakfast. So I've just started with removing everything that was not on the specific places, and then I'll start wiping and everything. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this cleaning video, and I'm also giving motivation as well. So since I moved, this house has been a lot bigger than where I was, so I really try to wash in parts because I have some other works that I'm doing. So today being on a Saturday, I'll just wash all the rooms thoroughly and wipe everywhere. And then tomorrow on Sunday, then I'll clean the toilets. The washroom and also the bathroom. Yes. I welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for seeing me worthy of your subscription. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you guys, please do that. And as well, like the video. Please leave a comment after watching. Tell me what you think about the video. And you can as well give me some video ideas that you want me to do. On this channel. So thank you so much for all of you for always being here for me and always sharing my videos. I'm so thankful for that. So for this carpet, I removed it where I placed it in the just at the coffee table, because most of the times I sit here while working, and also doing my exercises on this mat, so that's why it's on this side on its own. But before I get seats, I'll have to use it. For the floors, I'm going to use this Safisha disinfectant. Already in the bucket, I have water with powder soap, and as well I've put jig. So I'll just put this Safisha, and I also have some scent that a guy usually sell for me some scents. So this is it. It looks like this. So when you pour, they have different scents. It gives a good scent even in your floors. So yeah. Windows, I'm going to go in with or any glass stuff that I have in the house. I'm going to go in with this Carrefour glass cleaner, and as well as the microfiber towel.
Everybody's calling, telling me they saw you out last night. But I didn't want to hear it, cause I didn't see it with my own eyes. Now I ain't being naive, not saying I don't believe that you've been cheating on me. Boy, I'm just letting you know before I put your shit on out that door that I've been holding on too long. I've been singing this same old song. I've been holding on too long, and boy, you're still doing me wrong. I've tried and I've cried, cause I know it's something just ain't right. Quit wasting my time. Let me go, let me live my life. Cause this ain't love, not real love. I don't think love's supposed to hurt this much. This ain't love, and if it was, then boy, this love thing ain't for us. No, this ain't love, not real love. I don't think love's supposed to hurt this much. This ain't love.
Thinking that I should buy a mop because I'm used to this duster one, which I have to bend. So I'm thinking of buying a good one. I'm not yet thought about it, because I was thinking of a spinner, but I'm finding it weak. So I'm really trying to think about something else.
And boy, this love thing ain't for us. No. Talking to my mama about all this drama. She keep hoping one day you gon' change, but deep down inside, I know you'll stay the same. Excuses that your phone was dead, and after that you went to bed. Really
I'm done with the living room, and I've wiped everything everywhere, like everything here. So I'm going to other rooms, and because I am in a hurry, I don't think I'll shoot the rest of the rooms because my friend is waiting for me in town, and if I start shooting from now this point, I'll get late. So yeah, this is how my house looks like as for now.
Flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying? Could you pass the lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep my cool. Nicotine in my veins, flaming up desires. What am I supposed to do? Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo. Put me in a mood. Put me.
The next month.
Hi guys. The dogs, oh my god, they're so barky. I think because of the monkeys. Anyway, so hey MacKenzie squad, welcome back to we are just continuing the vlog. So yesterday I was to wash the whole house and to clean the bathroom, but I didn't have that strength. So it's on a Saturday morning. I've really woken up so early. I've just woken up and then decided, let me just clean the house first before anything else. And I wanted to share with you first the products that I'm going to use. It's not that the products that how will I say, I got from somewhere. Someone came to me and talked to me so nicely and told me, make this product, it removes stains, and we tried with where we were, and it was so good. I don't know now if it will work on my place, how it will work, and then I'll share with you the black later on. I mean the number of the guy. So the gloves is the ones that I bought. I think I had shown you these ones. I bought these ones, and then because I don't have another spray bottle, I'm going to use this spray bottle. I don't usually throw these things. So this one is for glass cleaner that I had a while ago. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use that because his product is not yet. Yes, it's the super. So it's still just mixed. I think it mixes at home, so you can see how it looks. This is how it looks. It gave me on this bottle, and then he told me to also use a sandpaper. Now, I don't know about this sandpaper. I don't know if it will remove even the color of the tiles. You know, there's a tiles which are around blue, sometimes nice blue. But let us just try because I'm tired of seeing them the way they are. It's almost a month, but I'm feeling like forever. Anyway, so let us try and this. So I want to pour it in here, so that I can be able to spray around every area that I want to spray, so that we can work with this. So I'm praying that this one will remove, because if it does, I won't go and buy those expensive stuff in the supermarket. I'll be buying from him just to be washing my bathroom tiles with. Maybe just for maintenance, I'll just buy one in the supermarket. Let's go. This is how the tiles of my toilet look like. This is the floor. So I'll just put the this thing that I have on the lines. For the toilets, I can't say it's a bad one. It's really not bad at all, even for the tiles. It's so clean, as you can see. But I'll put it as well just to wash it, and also add disinfectant.
Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trip.
The toilet bowl is the one that is, I really want to work on it. You can see the water. We have borehole water here. So this is the one that discolors things as well. My bathroom is the one that has a lot of culprit, and I think I have a long way to go to make this bathroom look really new, because I think the one who was here wasn't doing so it's not easy for me to work on it on a day or so. But you can see I really did wash with acid when I entered, and now I want to use this to see if this color will come out, but hopefully.
Baby, I should've known that it ain't real.
just spray it all over the sink, the tiles, the toilet bowl, everywhere, and then leave it like for 10 minutes or 15.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Meanwhile, I've already poured it everywhere. I just washed my gym clothes because I don't usually wait for the one who washes for me to wash them, because of they smell a lot of sweat, so I don't like keeping them in the house.
we go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the.
So it has taken me like 20 minutes because I was just trying to wash the clothes and I've already hung them. So now we'll have to work on now everywhere. So I'll have to use the sandpaper that I was told to use, exactly the way I was told. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Line, you got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say.
As you can see, the way it has removed the black things with it, so meaning that it's working. So I bet you, even if your toilet or bathroom is not that dirty, this one will really work for you.
We were just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see.
This wasn't an easy job, as oh my god, this was a lot of work, and I think I'll have to give up on this bathroom. It has a lot of work, or maybe I'll just be doing this every like 2 days in a week. I see if there is something that will change.
Children used to run and play. Look at all the mess we made. Guess I never know where it went wrong. Sometimes I feel like all that's sad, 'cause viral then people forget. In this crazy world I don't belong. I see fire burning, but I close my eyes. I'd rather deny that. Everything is falling out of place. I see trees ripped from the ground, but nobody makes a sound. I see fire burning, but I'm fine. Now you're nobody. Now you're nobody.
Washing this bathroom and toilet is as if I'm just doing another workout. Look the way I've sweat. Guys. Like I really sweat. But you need to scrub. It's using your energy. Okay, I'm hoping at least a little bit of it has come out because I've not even cleaned. And then you need like to wear clothes that are, because now I'm scratching because of the ones that have poured into me. Oh, anyway, let's do this. Voila, you can see that the line that was there for the water has come out. I really have done a lot of work on it. So yeah, I think when I'm going to be using all the time, it will come out so completely. And for the floor, you can see the outcome. It's now looking much better. So for the toilet, I'm not going to complain about it. It's much better. For the bathroom, I didn't come out all of it, but I think when I do this more often, my bathroom will turn out so clean. But it's really working. It's really working. I can attest to that. You can see. I'm done with cleaning, and thank you so much for the people who have watched until this far. See you in my next video. Bye bye.